January 11th, 2017. It's 11:15 a.m. 104 South Smallwood, Charlotte, North Carolina. Padlock renovation. See a piece of the gutter on the front of the house is coming down. It needs to be repaired. Got scratches and several scratches on the wooden floors throughout. Needs to be checked out. Unit's going to need to be sprayed for roaches. Also got several black markings and nails/holes on the walls. Majority of the trim will need to be painted. If it doesn't come clean, a few doors and cases will need to be painted as well. It's not our color, it's off yellow. Full paint throughout if it's our color. Large trash out and gym equipment, recliner, strollers, bikes, mattresses, box springs. All needs to be removed. Clean for a new tenant. Place 2 big, 2 small drip pans, Whirlpool stove. The kitchen backsplash needs to be recaulked. Replace all blinds, stained or broken. The unit does have a sunroom. The stickers on the walls need to be removed. Garden batteries for the smoke carbon. More trash in the hall closet needs to be removed. And the television. More stickers on the walls need to be removed. More markings on the walls. Burn marks on top of the bathroom sink. Needs to be checked out. Same stuff that works. Toilet seats tight. Toilet paper holders tight. Shower has a shower head. Box screen and frame. Closet doors off track. Needs to be repaired. Missing door stop. Unit does have gas. And that's about it.